back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the birthday gift, and then another one is for us. So let's go ahead and do this unbox real quick. Let me show you guys what we got. Box is very dirty. You see the dirt, everything from the UPS or the delivery truck. Hopefully there's no invoice in here, so this is from Personalization Mall again. So here the items number right there, and then item of the description. So there's a vase, and then a personalized picnic blanket, and then a personalized cookie jar. So let's see which is which. It's taped up right here. Oh, so this one is made in Taiwan. So it says, happy birthday, Jasmine. May today and every day be filled with sunshine, sounds, laughter, love, of course, flower. With much love, the Hung's family. So this is a vase. It's like you just put the flower in there, your rose, carnation, whatever flower you want. Okay. Go ahead and put this back in. It's a birthday gift, so I don't want to open it up. And I believe this one is the cookie jar. So here's a lid. And then there's a rubber seal right here, which keep your cookie fresh. And then there's a ventilation. I'm not sure, there's a hole punch right there. Another one right there. And then it says home with the California states on there with the heart. the Hung family, Riverside, California. And this is made in Taiwan, which is pretty good quality. Inside it is a glossy finish. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out this one. This one is the picnic blanket. Pretty smooth. And then very, very colorful. What is this so big? Eat, drink, and celebrate. The Hung's family. And then this is the tag of the brand. It's a 100% polyester, and this is made in China. So I got the pink, white, blue, white, and then green. And then on the back, just a simple black polyester. Oh yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.